Welcome back. Now, this is something which is unprecedented, exactly what happens with a world champion and if he wins, defeating another world champion. This is the example of what happened with D. Gukesh, who's on the receiving end of hate and racist rant after he defeated Magnus Carlsen in a classical game on Sunday. And this was Gukesh's first win over Carlsen in the classical chess and is now being dubbed by chess enthusiasts as the biggest upset of the year. Of course, as far as the reaction of Magnus Carlsen is concerned, that itself went viral when he began to slam the table as he couldn't believe himself that he lost, and that too in front of Gukesh. And we have seen the kind of statements that Magnus has been making about Gukesh previously, not taking him seriously at all, in fact not even considering him as a worthy opponent. But Gukesh, who had to face the outburst of Carlsen, who was seen punching and slamming the table in frustration. And later then, Gukesh was subjected to continuous racist comments such as Magnus was distracted by the curry scent. I mean, absolute rubbish. Magnus was distracted by curry scent, and this kind of posts that have been coming in from, of course, when it comes to anonymous people there who are not brave enough to put out their real names or their pictures. Another one goes on to say that he later mentioned that Gukesh's scent was an undebatable trait. This is the kind of, as far as comments that have been coming in, absolutely in bad taste. Later mentioned that Gukesh's scent was an undebatable trait. Now we are looking at, as far as when it comes to Gukesh, he is now making India proud once again as one of these games that have been taking place when it comes to the chess prodigy and his victory over Magnus Carlsen. It seems that multiple people across the world have been unable to digest his victory. But what is now under spot is now a deleted post of Norway Chess, as the organizers, which initially condemned the racial abuse that Gukesh was subjected to, saying that it does not tolerate any forms of racism or hate speech as well. However, they later deleted the post. They said that their team is actively moderating and removing objectionable comments, but why then did they delete it? Because they have been urging the users also to flag off any comment that they find unacceptable. But this particular social media post was later deleted, making one wonder if Norway Chess had gone back on its initial acknowledgement of racial abuse.